Hello everyone, and this is a Christmas special. I'm going to be opening up a duel deck I got for Christmas and a pack. So, let's just jump right in. So, I'm going to start with the duel deck. So this is more of a review, because the decks are not always very good. But duel decks tend to be better than the stupid, Planeswalker decks, which are just something you gotta build with, right? So we got our deck boxes. Our dice, which are nice little bonus. Our 2 foil mythics, which look pretty sweet. And then our 2 decks. There's always the quick reference and like the playmat thing, but these decks shouldn't be that bad. So we got a couple rares. There's only one of them though. And there's all the other cards and some tokens. They seem like all the standard Planeswalker decks. They're decent, but you want them to fight each other, not really competitively. I'm more of a collector though, so I just find them fun to open. And then, is there a second Harbinger? No. And then you have a pretty good collection on your hands. Oop. So these decks, they're okay. I understand how you can really have a 1/0 card, but oh well. And now, so they're decent cards. I'd say that if you're gonna use much of it competitively, it's probably just gonna be maybe some of the rares, the mythics, a couple of the commons just throw away. I won't go into much detail because, well, I'm not the greatest reviewer. Brazen Buccaneers, Looming Altasaur, Queen's Base Soldier, Fine Shrine Keeper, Ravenous Daggertooth, Shaper Apprentice, Duress, Thrasher Raptors, Dive Down, Colossal Dreadmaw, Feel the Ruin, Dinosaur Stampede, Lurking Traverse, and Rampaging Pharaohsidon. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, so overall that pack goes okay. And these decks are like, they're cool. Although I think that these foils look pretty sick. And this one's actually pretty good. 4 mana, 2/1, protection from red elementals. You control. Oh, that's how you can have the 1/0s. So then they become 2/1s. You cultivate your devotion to blue. So yeah, that's pretty good. And then the other one, 2 mana, 1/1 double striker. Whenever it deals damage to an opponent, you may put a goblin creature card from your hand onto the battlefield. So then you can have like those, like an 8 mana goblin. And just destroy everything. But yeah, I hope you guys all have a Merry Christmas, and goodbye.